This is the Monoton M150 P7 e-bike by Motor, equipped with a 750-watt rear hub motor, an 11.6 amp-hour lithium battery, a 40mm travel suspension fork, and a variable speed half-twist throttle control. This bicycle is a tank that folds.
Well, I'll tell you what, this bike is an absolute joy to ride. With the pedal assist level 1 through 2, I really don't need any more juice. I've got all the power I need in my legs.
I'm not accustomed to e-bikes, but this one has a fully functioning 7-gear Shimano shifter in addition to 5 levels of pedal assist and a throttle for when you feel like being lazy. The battery will get you about 40+ miles in pedal assist level 1 through 3, but I often found that no motor was quite easy to use. Nonetheless, the throttle was loads of fun, pushing me to speeds up to 25 miles per hour. The Motor Monoton M150 P7 was not at all necessary for this trip, but it handled extremely well and was so much fun to ride. The 4-inch tires and front shocks made off-roading easy, and the throttle for commuting around the small towns made it a great hybrid. It's no touring bike, but it did the job far better than expected. Would I recommend it? Absolutely.
We have designed an eco-friendly electric bike that makes getting around easy with 14-inch tires, front and rear-end disc brakes. It's a great commuting companion. It is compact enough to fit into small spaces on your commute. Take it to the office and plug it in for a quick charge. It features dual LED headlights to help illuminate most any nighttime environment. Parking lights and rear brake lights with reflectors keep you visible. It can reach distances of over 25 miles with a single charge and can reach speeds of up to 18 miles per hour. Foldable pedals and steering stem for transporting. It has a powerful 450-watt motor to help with pedal assist or full motorized mode with 3 riding modes. It is flexible enough to take you on just about any adventure. Our adjustable shock helps with the bumps and provides a smooth ride. Whether you are a commuter or just want to get around town, the Gyroar C3 to a great ride.
No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior.